Congrats, Rasool.
Thank you, sir.
So, what's your education?
Electrical engineering, 2021 passed out.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Chennai, sir.
Okay, how come Chennai to Hyderabad?
It's a very good way.
Okay. How is the journey with BRN?
It's a very good experience to studying.
Okay.
Very quick learning, and it is a very good experience about learning full stack developer.
Okay. So, what is the difference between first day of Rasool and till today?
So, it is very good experience into learning about full stack.
Okay.
In BRN Institute.
Okay.
And it is a very limited batch.
Okay.
So especially Manjuna sir is telling that out clearly.
Okay.
It will be very helpful for coming students in future.
Okay. What is the difference between normal trainings and BRN INFOTECH training?
Manjuna sir is telling very good teaching.
Okay.
Especially teaching department and very hard-working and everything.
Okay. So, what do you suggest to the people who are looking for a good careers?
First of all, I want to tell the students who are coming to BRN, it is very good institute.
Okay.
Who are going to study.
Okay.
Because it is very limited batch per season.
Okay.
And very good doubtful season.
Okay. Anything else you would like to share?
Services.
Okay. Anyways, thanks for the feedback and all the best for your future.